Addicts. Today I'm going to be going over the unfortunate news of PCGS mishandling a collector's coin and dipping it when they were only supposed to grade it. So about 5 months ago, Daniel Sutton, the collector, made a post on Facebook about having a coin with some beautiful reverse toning, a key date 1890 British crown, which is probably between a $500 and $1,000 coin, depending on what it graded. And PCGS dipped it. And you'll see the coin later, but in my eyes, they ruined it. And this coin was not supposed to be conserved. In order for PCGS to have permission to conserve it, one, you need a different form, and you need a specific signature on that form, which PCGS did not have. So this was posted late August 2022, and now beginning of 2023, we have this coin that came out. You can see where the toning was on the reverse, where this area was, kind of burnt the coin. And, you know, if this had reverse toning, that color could have added a lot more value as well. So, now we get into January, and it's just now being resolved. The collector was only given 70% of the coin's insured value, but he did get to keep the coin. But I feel 70% is quite a low ball, even if he does get to keep the coin, just because it did kind of ruin the coin, and it is quite an egregious mistake. And this makes it worse because also, a few weeks ago, another collector sent in some Walking Liberty $50 to PCGS for a reconsideration. 3 coins received an upgrade, but they had huge scratches through the slabs and were not upgraded. They were just returned to him. PCGS did, make it good by providing with some extras and returning the coins in new holders and all that. But there seems to be an uptick in some pretty basic errors from PCGS. Maybe they're trying to rush their coins to grade faster, and they're making too many mistakes, or maybe they have new people who aren't necessarily versed in what's happening. Really, I don't see how those mistakes can be made without some high-level person, giving it the okay, especially when you need all the background, permission beforehand. So that's all I have for today. Let me know what you guys think. Was 70% a fair offer? What would you do if one of your coins was, dipped without your permission? And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.